There's a lot of confusion about the Ashoka tree, and I wanted to uh, show the difference between Ashoka and Shoka. Now, Ashoka means Shoka means unhappiness, sadness, and all. And Ashoka is the opposite of that, which means happiness. Happiness or non-unhappiness, we can say. So, this tree is often confused with that Ashoka tree. It is actually that Shoka tree. That is, it is a tree of sadness and unhappiness with a droopy structure. That is, the whole thing falls downwards, all the branches and all. They hang down. And it is often planted in next to the cemeteries. Particularly Christian cemeteries and all, they have more, and from there it has gone everywhere. It is called as Ashoka tree. So the first confusion started with Shoka and Ashoka, and this one, it is called Polyanthy, I think. Correct name I'll write in the title. So this is the Shoka tree. It is unhappiness and sadness. I think it is called Polyalthia longifolia, mostly. Anyway, then somewhere along the way, Shoka tree was confused with Ashoka tree. So everywhere, this Shoka tree is now known as Ashoka tree. So if people show you this tree and they tell you it is Ashoka tree, it is a falsehood actually, and it's a mockery of the real thing. So Polyalthia longifolia flowers are like this. Then it is the real Ashoka tree. That one I'll show now. This is the real Ashoka tree. That is the Saraka Ashoka. It is very powerful and ancient tree of our country. And when Ravana kidnapped Sita, she was put up in that Ashoka Vana. And it was a garden of this Ashoka trees in Lanka. So this is the Sita Ashoka or Ashoka tree. ಅಶೋಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ? ಶೋಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ? ಹೌದು, ದುಃಖ. ಅಶೋಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಶೋಕ ಟ್ರೀ is the opposite of Ashoka is the opposite of unhappiness, and it is happiness actually, lack of unhappiness. So the real Ashoka tree is this Saraka Ashoka, and it is having red and orange flowers, aromatic flowers that are having long flowering season for more than a month. And it's a small tree, and it is very, very important for women's health. And in houses where there are women are there, this tree should be planted as a antidote to keep women happy. It prevents depression and all among women, and for ladies problems, that bleeding and all such things, this is a good medicine. In Ayurveda it is used. So this is the Ashoka tree. Shoka tree I already showed, that Polyalthia longifolia. And nowadays a lot of people think that Shoka tree is Ashoka tree. So they are planting the unhappiness tree instead of thinking it is happiness tree. So this is a Sita Ashoka. That is the real Ashoka, and the other one That Shoka tree I already showed. It's a small tree with lots of flowers and long flowering season also.